Tired of pasting text that brings over ugly fonts and weird spacing? Learn the one-click fix to strip all formatting instantly. Alright, let me guess what's happening. You find the perfect paragraph on a website, or maybe you're copying text from an old email. You paste it into your Word document, and suddenly, it's a disaster. Huge letters, tiny letters, different colors, strange spacing, maybe a random blue hyperlink. It completely ruins the clean, professional look you're trying to build. It is incredibly frustrating. You just want the text, not the baggage that comes with it. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple steps. Select the text and click the Clear All Formatting button. Let's dive in. So before we can clean anything up, we have to tell Word exactly what we want to clean. And that means selecting the text. First, you need to select the text you want to clean up. Now, here's why this step matters. When you select the text, you're drawing a circle around all the mess. You are saying to Word, ignore everything else on this page, focus right here. If you don't do this correctly, you might accidentally strip the formatting from the wrong paragraph, or worse, the whole document. So take your time with this. You can do this a few different ways. If it's just a few lines, click and drag your mouse right over them. Make sure you get from the very first letter all the way to the very last period or space. If it's a single paragraph, you can triple-click anywhere inside it. That is a really handy trick. Just point and click 3 times fast. If you're dealing with a big block of text, like a whole page or more, you can click at the very beginning, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and then click at the very end. That will select everything in between, and you should see that gray or blue highlight covering all the text. That is your confirmation. You are locked in. Now, with the text selected, go to the Home tab and find the Clear All Formatting button. So here's where the magic happens. With that text still highlighted, look at the very top of your Word window. You want to click on the Home tab. It's usually the first tab on the left, right next to File. Once you're on the Home tab, you'll see a bunch of different groups of buttons. You have the Font group with bold, italic, and underline. You have the Paragraph group, but what you are looking for is a little icon that looks like a capital A with a little pink eraser next to it. That is the Clear All Formatting button. It is usually in the Font section. And this is the one-click fix I promised. Now go ahead and click that button, and watch what happens. Instantly, all of that mess disappears. The giant red font turns back to the normal black text. The weird spacing goes back to standard single or double spacing. The blue hyperlink text turns into plain, readable black text. It strips away everything and leaves you with just the words. One thing to remember here is that this button is very powerful. It doesn't just remove the bad formatting, it removes all formatting. So if you had something you intentionally bolded or italicized, that will go away too. But when you are cleaning up messy pasted text, that is almost always exactly what you want. You want a blank slate. And honestly, using this button from the Home tab is the cleanest way. I've tried all the other tricks, like pasting without formatting or using Notepad as a middleman. Those work, but they are extra steps. This is just select and click. It's right there in front of you, and it takes less than a second. So there you have it. No more fighting with stubborn fonts or fighting to match spacing. You go from frustrated with messy, inconsistent formatting to confidently applying clean, uniform text in seconds. The next time you paste something ugly into your document, you know exactly what to do. Just highlight it, find that eraser button on the Home tab, and click. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.